Yo, what's up? It's Brian. I'm out here at the Hampstead Pond here in London, and one of the ways I love to recharge every Saturday is I take a run in the heath and I jump in the pond. And whether it's cold or even not so cold, I don't know, there's something about the water that just energizes me, it recharges me, it cleanses me, it just gets me focused, and I always just love this ritual. It just really gets me back to where I need to be. And I'm just wondering what your ritual is. What's something that you do every week to clear your head, get you out of your phone, and get you back to who you really are? Because I think we all need those. And that could be breathing, or a martial arts practice, or a yoga practice, or just getting out here in the water and jumping in there and just getting back to maybe who you are as a human being. So just want to send this out. I'd love to hear your comments and see how you reset every week. There's something about nature, I think, that we all need. And the older I get, the more I realize that we're really part of it and part of nature. And if we get back and kind of become who we really are, and then get back in there and go for the good fight, back with all the rest of the monkeys in the cities and stuff like that. So anyways, just my thoughts out here on a Saturday. Would love to get yours. So yeah, drop me in the comments and tell me, how do you reset? How do you get back to who you are? And I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, peace.